We're gonna start with homemade sausage patties. This is just ground pork with a little baking soda added to it to crisp up the patties, salt and pepper. It gets a splash of wine. And you can make it with ground pork or ground turkey if you prefer. I use ground pork. And then it's got fennel seed, garlic, sage, onion, and oregano. That's all that's in this. So we're gonna take our cast iron skillet, get it nice and hot, add some olive oil, and get our homemade sausage patties working. And we're making a savory Parmigiano-Reggiano crusted French toast to go with our homemade sausage patties. So, I'm gonna put the patties in. Ooh, my honey is overflowing. Okay, we're gonna take a quick break. When we come back, I'll show you how to make the Parmigiano crusted French toast. So we're going back to a recipe from Everybody's Italian on Sunday. I modified it a little bit for people that already own the book. I wanted to put a new twist on it. So I've got a custard here of milk and egg, or half and half, whichever you have in the fridge, and nutmeg, and a little drizzle of both almond extract and vanilla extract. Now we're gonna take that out and press this into both ground almonds and grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. So it's salty and nutty and crunchy all together. We have our homemade sausage cooking in our cast iron skillet. I cook the French toast so it doesn't stick in a giant non-stick pan or griddle, on a non-stick griddle. And I just brush it with a little melted butter, press it into the nuts and cheese, and then cook it slowly over medium heat so the nuts don't burn, the cheese doesn't burn, but it has time to cook through. I'm gonna flip our patties, and then we'll come back with one more question and plate this up for you guys. I have to tell you one last thing. Serve this with berries, and if you wanna have really happy house guests, douse the berries with a little bit of almond liqueur. Plate it up. So guys, this is a recipe that I kind of updated from Everybody's Italian on Sunday. I added some ground almonds today and a little almond liqueur. But this Parmigiano crusted French toast is in Everyone's Italian on Sunday, and we're serving it up with homemade sausage patties that are doused with a little wine and spiced. You can make extra of that and keep it in your freezer. Instead of maple syrup on this, because it's got an Italian thing going on, I'm just putting some warm Italian honey down over our almond and parm crusted French toast next to our sausage. My husband likes a little honey on that as well. And then we'll put our boozy almond berries down over the top. Oh, ho, ho. Yum and yum.